Hello everyone, I am Rudra Vagasya and today I am presenting on DTMF, Dual Tone Multi-Frequency, Dial Tone to Digital, the binary logic behind phone keyboard technology. Let's get started. What is DTMF? Simple question. When we press a number on our phone during a call, what actually happens? Our phone generates exactly two audio frequencies at the same time. These two tones together uniquely identify each key. This system is called DTMF and it was developed by Bell Laboratory in 1963. It replaced the old pulse dialing system and has been the globally standard for over 16 years. It is used in telecom and IVR system and also security system worldwide. DTMF versus pulse dialing. The old phone dialing system worked by physically breaking the circuit multiple times per digit. It is a slowly, noisy, and not compatible with digital system at all. DTMF sends two clean audio tones instantly. It is a faster and it has been better noisy immunity and works directly with a digital circuit. That is why DTMF completely replaced pulse dialing and it is still be used in today. The most important part the DTMF frequency matrix. The keypad is 4 by 3 grid. Each row has a low frequency 697, 770, 852, 941 Hz. Each column has a high frequency 1209, 1336, 1477 Hz. When we press any key, our phone plays both the row frequency and column frequency simultaneously. For example, pressing key 5 plays 717 Hz and 1336 Hz together. No other key produced these exactly combination. Every key has its own unique frequency gigabit, 12 unique pair for 12 keys. Signal generation. On a transmitter side, when we press a key, the phone generate two sine E waves, one for the row frequency and one for the column frequency. These two waves are added together into one combined signal and sent over the phone line. The formula for signal is sine into ma 2 pi into frequency of row and t plus sine into ma 2i into frequency of column into t. Simply, two sound waves added into one uh, signal decoder on a the receiver now has to figure out which two frequency are inside the mixed signal. These happen in five stages: mixed audio input, then 8-band pass filter, then zero crossing detector, then energy detection, and finally 4-bit binary output representing the pressed key. Band pass filter. There are 8 band pass filter, one per DTMF frequency. Each filter only pass its own frequency and block everything else. For example, 5 key 5 only the 770 Hz and 336 Hz filter active. The other 6 produce no output. The filter sine E wave then pressed through a zero crossing detector which convert it into a square wave, a digital signal that is either high or low, ready for binary processing. The MT8870 IC. All of this filtering and detection is gone by one chip, the MT8870 DTMS decoder IC. Audio enters through IN1 and IN plus and IN minus. The output comes on 4 pins Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 as a 4-bit binary number. The STD pin goes high only when valid tone is detected, preventing false trigger key example. For example, key 5 pressed give output 0101 and key 9 gives 1001. This chip directly bridge along audio to digital binary output, reliable by any microcontroller. Application DTMF is used everywhere. IVR system press 1 for support. Decode over tone live. Phone banking use DTMF for pin entry over calls. Home security system let you control device by pressing phone keys. In security system use it for remote alarm control and ham radio operator use DTMF to control repeat station remotely. Summary: DTMF use two simultaneously tones per keys. The frequency matrix maps every key to a unique tone pair. Bandpass filter decode the mixed signal. The MT8870 IC convert it 4-bit binary and it is used globally in telecom, banking, automation and security. Thank you.